Hello friends, today we are going to take you a wine tour in the South India, and I would like to tell you this is a fantastic tour of South India which tourists must visit. Usually what we do in this tour, morning meet with our representative and leave for wine factory visit. Being within the lush greenery and rolling hills, the place is away from the hustle bustle of the city. We will take you at home where you will learn how to make wine in India. We will also take you to a wine factory. The winery spread over 25 acres spanning 8 acre of vineyard, 9 acre of winery, and rest of the 8 acre is an open landscape. The fertile soil supports the growth of grapes in this location. Grapes are grown in 800 acre of vineyard around the heritage winery and Bangalore to make quality wine grown under the supervision of expert. Upon reaching at winery, the guest will meet with our wine guide. After a brief description or video presentation, the guide will take you on a tour of the winery. During our wine tour, we will get to know the mystery of the wine making process from grape to bottle. And I can guarantee you, you will like this tour while you will be on a holiday. Giving us an opportunity is an good for us and good for you as well. Further, we will gather in a wine tasting room. Here, the winemaker, which we call the wine expert, will teach us how to see, swear, sniff, and sip wine. The winery produces 6 varieties of wine as Cabernet red wine, Shiraz red wine, Chenin blends white wine, Twist bubbly wine, Heritage 2000 premium wine, Heritage sweet red wine. After the tour, after this excellent wine tour, we will visit the Ipolo restaurant for the lunch. This restaurant is specialized in grill and barbecue and serve both European and the local dishes. After completing this wine tour, you will visit the city tour of Bangalore or you may drive to Mysore. During this wine tour, you may be passes some mango trees on the way. And in this video, you can see my colleague is showing you how we can make a wine at the home. Usually, we take this wine mostly on a Sunday or a Saturday after having the dinner. This wine is not harmful for the health and we recommend this to the sometime to kill the germs and the viruses. When you will reach in the winery factory, you will see how we wash the grapes, how we clean the grapes, and what are the other instruments. In this video, whatever you are watching is this is the home which is showing you very clearly which type of bottle we use to keep the wine, because most of the wine are very expensive and there is a specific process to clean the wine, to make the wine, and how we preserve the wine. In this wine tour, you will be able to understand the ancient procedure to make the wine. Thank you very much.